Hi, I'm Mandy, and today I am going to show you how to do your laundry at a campground. I didn't have time to go to a laundromat before my camping reservation started. My laundry is piling up and I do not have any interior plumbing inside my adventure vehicle. So I am going to use the forest here right next to my campsite. I've got a ton of trees and these ones back here are out of the way. My stuff is this way, so I've got lots of unused space over here. So I'm going to use these trees right here to hang my laundry out. I've got my laundry soap here, and this method uses a dry bag. I have a 5-liter and a 20-liter bag, but because I have so many clothes, I am going to use the 20-liter today. I'm going to wash my laundry in the bathroom, which is this building way over here. Well, you can wash your laundry at your campsite if you have water. I am going to use this bathroom because each bathroom is self-contained and private, so each bathroom has a toilet, a sink, and a shower in it, and you can do this in complete privacy. I'm going to use the shower and start by filling my bag about halfway up with water. And then I'm going to add the laundry soap, add my clothes, and give everything a little bit of a stir. And that's it for the washing. I like to start first by getting my laundry soaking, and once that's done, I like to come and hang the line so that it's ready to go once the laundry is done soaking. To do that, you will need 2 tree protectors. These are Zen Monkey, but any tree protectors will work. I'm going to use this 50-foot cord by Ozark Trail. It doesn't have to be 50 feet, but if you needed more room, you can just keep going and hit a couple different trees if you have a lot of laundry. I'm going to use the tree wrap the exact same as I would if I was hanging a rainfly or a hammock or anything else from a tree, where you don't want to hurt the bark and you want to make sure the tree is protected. So I'm just going to take these and wrap it around the tree at the height I want. Again, for me, I'm going to go at about chin level, and I'm going to do that on 2 different trees. Now that you have both your tree savers on, you can get your line out, and I'm just going to begin wrapping the cord through the loops in the tree saver and go from one tree to the other tree and then tie a loose knot at the end. Now that my line is hung, I can grab my washed laundry and I can just start draping it over the line. I don't use any kind of clips or pins or anything. I just lay it across, and that has always worked for me. You can either hang the clothes over both lines, or you can alternate and hang some on one and some on the other.